Okay. Yep.
Bitola, polisi. Hawaii ki makai ngakoe ngahi equipments kon ko display at lo malai ngahi meangau ko toai au pu mawi stadium kon ya te te foi bani e hoka to ko no tau no kosi no be no fui no maka malai no ngahi meangau to ko ya meangau ko toai ya Batakan ko de lipe faita o kataki o mea mai anga kaka dai hoko atu ki entertainment
Tamu ko kau coach ni matmato MMT. Thank you.
Well, see you we've been cutting it the last Monday and Tuesday.
Với việc phải mari godi cho tiêu tiêu mu mata ai vai ngan madawai do tiêu phải wa. Distinguished guests, please sit back and enjoy an item entitled "The Dance of the Tiêu Phai Wa Sprinklers" while refreshment is served.
Thank you.
spoti e konua. Inai mana huitu, ya huhi a wak whare mamata spoti te waiwa, e Princess Puspara. Huhi a whare o ea honi, e la a o kua hano wha, i tahi mamaru miwa. Ia hon, loma rere e tahi te kufare tuko wawa ku wano, pataloni o ea kapuru a kapini, a toma, Kipua, kau kita oleh apa? Distinguished guests, the inclusive spirit and support of the royal family to the development of sport in Goa is an inspiration. In 1967, Te Waiwa Stadium was opened by Her Royal Highness Princess Puspara. In 1989, the extension and renovation of the stadium was commissioned by His Majesty King Tupou IV. On this occasion, the Honourable Fantupo Wawakubano, as patron of Katoma Women's Rugby, is pleased to convey a message of heartfelt appreciation to cast the vote of thanks. Honourable Fantupo Wawakubano.
Honourable Samuela Abisi Pontiga, distinguished members of the Legislative Assembly, Your Excellency Mrs. Sarah Walsh, esteemed members of the Diplomatic Corps, Reverend Sir Mrs. Onua and members of the clergy, Mr. Blair Johnson, the Tonga Rugby Union, Sports Federations and Associations, ladies and gentlemen. I feel great honour in taking this opportunity to extend our utmost gratitude to the Government of New Zealand on behalf of the Tonga Women's Rugby Association. Your words have prompted us to visualise sport and community training. They have been imprinted deep and will continue to reside as we tread forward in our journey of promoting women. This event would not have been a grand success without the initiative of the Government of Tonga in managing the contract, which amounted to a total of $2,028,496 New Zealand dollars between the Ministry of Internal Affairs and the contractor, Field Drainage Specialist New Zealand Limited. And we are most grateful for the overwhelming participation of schools, officials, sports teams, and supporters for your display of supportive talent. It was in 2014 when the former New Zealand Prime Minister, Right Honourable John Key, pledged his existence to promote sports and healthy lifestyle in Tonga, with the support for a fit-for-purpose upgrade of the stadium, which will serve to expand its utility while sustaining the strong community that participates in stadium events. I express my deep appreciation for the cooperation received today and look forward to utilising the stadium in its entire splendor. Thank you.
We are now coming to the conclusion of our program this morning. And I would like Reverend Gentile to close our ceremony with a benediction.
Hangai forma mais no que tem motor. Pone a tua no. Pea koe kres ko tau eiki mo ofa tua mo fera mari mari. E no maku e te tau tolu o na iri kai fai be o tangata. Amen.